Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam. Today I am present before you with Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 11, Competency Based Short and Broad Questions. I repeat, our today's topic is Competency Based Short and Broad Questions. Dear students, this is our lecture number 7 and SW number 6 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 7 and SW number 6 on our annual term syllabus. My dear students, in our previous class, we learned about the chapter 11, Geography of Bangladesh, Reading and Matching. Inshallah, today we will learn short questions, that means 3 short questions and 2 broad questions. So all of you give your attention. Inshallah, today we will learn 3 short questions and 2 broad questions, competency based. Look here, here also written lecture number 7 and SW number 6. This is chapter 11 and title is Geography of Bangladesh. So look at the first one. Here it is written, answer the following competency based short questions. Number 1, Bangladesh is a riverine country. Which sea do the rivers of Bangladesh flow into? I repeat the questions. Bangladesh is a riverine country. Which sea do the rivers of Bangladesh flow into? Now look at the answer. Answer, the Bay of Bengal is located in the south of Bangladesh. Where is the location of Bay of Bengal? Yes, it is written here. We all know also the Bay of Bengal is located in the south of Bangladesh. The rivers of Bangladesh flow into the Bay of Bengal. That means all the rivers of Bangladesh flow into the Bay of Bangladesh. Now we have learned question number 1 and we will go to question number 2. How would you attract more tourists to Bangladesh's beach resort? That means what can we do to attract the tourists to Bangladesh's sea beach? This is the competency based short question number 2. Now we will look at the answer. Look here, answer, beach resort is a profitable, what is it? Profitable and well known economic sector of Bangladesh. To attract more tourists we have to ensure oil residents. That means yes, we have to ensure oil residents, security, neat and clean environment, comfortable transport as well as proper management. Dear students, look at the points. That means what are the main points we will focus. So look here, to attract more tourists, we have to ensure well residents. So look here, security, neat and clean environment, comfortable transport as well as proper management. Okay, now 2 number is finished and we will go to 3 number of short questions, competency based short questions. What can you do to protect the beach resort? That means what can we do to protect our beach resorts? Now we will look at the answer. So look, very easy answer. To protect the beach resorts, we should make the common people aware of its clean environment. So at first we have to make the common people aware about the environment. Okay. Next, biodiversity. What is it? It is biodiversity, about the surroundings, about the atmosphere, and purification of sea water, natural beauty and proper management of keeping the beach area healthy and safe. Look at the points also here. That means what can we do or what can we do to protect the beach resource? At first we have to ensure that we have to make the common people aware about the clean environment, that means biodiversity next, then purification of sea water, the natural beauty and proper management of keeping the beach area healthy and safe. Dear students, this is the 3 competency based short questions, number 1, 2 and 3, which we have learned. Now we will go to competency based broad questions, that means next base. So look here, it is written, answer the following competency based broad questions. Number 1, yes, we will learn 2 broad questions, number 1 and 2. At first, number 1, there are some hilly areas in the southeast and northwest regions of Bangladesh. Describe the hilly areas of Bangladesh. So look here, here it is written, that means we know, that means there are the hilly areas are in the southeast and northwest regions of Bangladesh. Now we will describe here. It is asked to describe the hilly areas of Bangladesh. Now our answer. So look at the answer now. The hills were formed long ago in our history. The main hills in Bangladesh are in the southeast in Chittagong. So, look here, that means the main hills in Bangladesh are in the southeast in Chittagong. The highest peak is Tajing Dong. We have already learned when we read the passage about the geography of Bangladesh. I am telling again, the highest peak is Tajing Dong. What is it? It is Tajing Dong. Its height is 1280 meters. So, look here, it is 1280 meters or 1280 meters. The second highest peak is Keokradong. What is it? It is called Keokradong. Its height is 1230 meters or 1230 meters. Both are situated in Bandarban. So, look here, in the districts Bandarbans, we see the highest peak, that means Tajing Dong, and the second highest is Keokradong. There is forest in these areas. The other hilly areas is in Sylhet. That means the other hilly areas are seen or located in Sylhet division. So, look here, Rangamati, Bandarban, Khagrasari are main hilly districts in Bangladesh. So, look here, these three districts are called hill tracts: Rangamati, Bandarban and Khagrasari. You have already known this. Now, our competency based board question number 1 is done. We will look at question number 2. So, look here, a beach in Bangladesh is the longest sandy beach in the world. Yes, a beach in Bangladesh is the longest sandy beach in the world. What is it? Write some sentences on it in your own words. Here it is asked to write some sentences about the longest sandy beach, definitely the Cox's Bazar, and we have to write some words with our own words. So, look at the answer. Cox's Bazar sea beach is the longest sandy beach in the world. So, look at the first sentence. This is the topic sentence. Cox's Bazar beach is the longest sandy beach in the world. It is situated in Cox's Bazar district in Chittagong division. Yes, Cox's Bazar district is located in Chittagong division. The beach is 125 kilometers along the coast of the Bay of Bengal. Okay, the length of the Cox's Bazar is 125 kilometers along the coast of the Bay of Bengal. It is popular with tourists for swimming and walking. That means tourists go there for swimming and walking. Behind the beach, there are green hills and waterfalls. So, look, what can we see behind the beach? We can see green hills and waterfalls. There are St. Martin, that means San Martin, the only coral island in Bangladesh. Yes, we know, that means San Martin is called the only coral island in Bangladesh. Next, Himsori, Inani beach around Cox's Bazar. That means around the Cox's Bazar we see Himsori, Inani beach. So, look at the ending line of this question number 2. Cox's Bazar sea beach is a beautiful place to spend time on a family holiday. That means whenever we have a family holiday, we visit Cox's Bazar to enjoy a beautiful place. Dear students, our competency based board question number 1 and 2 are done. Now, we will look at the end of our board. So, look what is written here. It is written SW, that means homework, chapter 11, competency based board questions 1 and 2. Okay. So, look here also, this is our SW number 6. Okay. SW number 6. SW number 6 is chapter 11, competency based board questions 1 and 2. So, look here, this one is 1 and this one is 2. These two broad questions are your SW. I hope that you have understood about our SW. Now, dear students, look here. Okay, it is written my name, mobile number and messenger ID. Okay. I want to ensure you that if anybody has any kind of questions, please write me, or our comment box is open for you. Don't hesitate to write me. Inshallah, I will give the answer each of your questions. Finally, I hope that all of you have understood this important and interesting class. Do your SW and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.